Today I have something incredibly special that's going to inspire you to think outside of the box and boost your creativity. It's my free digital notebook for GoodNotes. So, this notebook is designed to make your life easier, more organized, and a whole lot more fun. And why I love it so much is because it's in GoodNotes, which syncs across your iPhone, your iPad, your computer. So, you'll always have your information on hand, and it's searchable and ready whenever you need it. You're going to have one single place where you can capture all of your thoughts, ideas, plans, whether it's for personal growth, managing your home, or boosting your productivity. This notebook is going to be your whole life within it. So let me quickly show you guys exactly how it works. So if you click on one of these tabs, you're going to get sent directly to that page. So you can see here it says 31, and I clicked on the index page number 31. You can also use these tabs on the side here, and then when you click it, it will actually flip to the other side. So for example, ideas, cleaning schedule, and everything. And then you just hit the spine to get back to your index page. So you can start thinking of ideas of what you're going to name your tabs and then what you're going to put in each of the pages of that section. So for example, I have my content tab here, and that's all pink. And you can see here I have my content calendar, an idea bank, templates and checklists, social media. So you can see how that all kind of relates to content. So it goes also for ideas, household routines, and all that. And to get this free digital notebook, all you have to do is go to my blog and download it. So let's get started with some ways that you can use it. So the first way that I'm going to show you is the content section. So you can see these 8 pages right here are all labeled content. So I have the tab section labeled content, but then each page number is its own page. So first I have my content calendar. So I just got some printables from my blog or from my course, and I just input it into here as PNG images. And then I just have my content calendar there. And then I have an idea bank. So just ideas that I have. I could just write it in whenever I want. I have some templates and checklists. So this is another free printable for my blog. It's the workflow system. So this is how I create new offers in System.io. And this is how I create new YouTube videos. So I just have a checklist of what I need to do whenever I record a new YouTube video. And then after that, I have social media. And then you can also use it for your stats and your income. So you can track your stats from all of the different areas just so that you can monitor your growth and see what's working best. Okay, so the next section is this pink section, and that's going to be my ideas section. So in the ideas section, I have business ideas. So any new business ideas as they come to me, and then when I'm ready to explore, I can go there for new ideas. And then I also have outfit ideas. So I just got some stuff from TikTok and Instagram, and I just screenshotted it and then brought it into here. One of the ways I love doing that is just saving it to my camera roll, but you can also open up Google Photos if you want and just drag and drop it into here. So this is like the new style I'm going for, so I thought that would be a cool way to do that. I also have nail designs in there. One that I really like using is this makeup collection. So these are some of the makeup that I want to buy. So next time I'm at the store, I can open up this page and look for some of these items. Another way I also like using it is just keeping track of what I have and what color it is. So if I have a concealer that I'm using, I might want to write it down in here so that when I'm at the store, I know to get that exact same shade again. Next up is the gift list ideas. So this is yet another free printer for my blog. You can go and download it, but I already have the PNG image files for you for that. So you could just directly import it into here as an image. So let me just show you guys to do that. You would just need to go to the image file, and if it's in your camera roll, you can do that. But if it's not, you can also do insert from, and then you can get it from your files as well. So this is just great for gift ideas for friends and family so that I don't have to scramble for a gift at the last minute. Okay, now we're going to get into how to manage your home So I have a household section. So this is the first purple section. So we have a cleaning schedule here. So daily cleaning, weekly cleaning, monthly, quarterly, and annually. So I like to just have that in there. There's so many different cleaning schedules out there, so you can just make your own if you wanted to. I have an inventory list, important documents. I also have the kids' measurements here. We love to see how they're growing. We have this school calendar, vehicle maintenance, so like when did you last get an oil change, things like that. And then some family activities and just things to remember. So it's just good to have all the household items all in one place. Okay, the yellow section now is going to be all about routines. So establishing and maintaining routines. You can just click here to go to the routine section. So I have some daily routines with time, some daily routines with checklists, and then some weekly routines. But I also have this one that I just made by myself as well. So for morning and evening, and it's just a good reminder to plan your daily activities and habits and build a productive and balanced day. So there's also a work routine to organize your work schedule and your tasks so that you can stay focused and be more efficient. There's also household routines, so you can maybe keep track of all of the household maintenance to maintain your home. There's also planning reviews. So these are again from my course, but it's your monthly review, weekly review, and daily review checklists. So this is what I do regularly so that I can keep my planner up to date. And then we have skincare routines. So you could just, again, put pictures in and what you do step by step. I have some 10-minute task ideas. Again, these are from my course, just so that when you have extra time, you have 10 minutes to spare, you can do these little tasks. Okay, and then finally, we have the planning routine. So what to do annually, monthly, weekly, and daily. So those routines are just going to be ways that can set yourself up for success. Okay, and now the next section is just a bucket list must-do section. So these are like recommendations for books, movies, products, restaurants, travel destinations, hikes, things to do in the water. So for books, you can list all the books that you want to read, movies and TV shows that you want to watch. So you always have those options ready for you. You can also new products that you want to try out, or maybe a wish list. And then restaurants to try, things that people always mention that you should check out or something. You can put them all in there. And then we have travel destinations for future travel spots. And then some hikes and water fun. So all the things that you can do. This is all in San Diego so that I can check out whenever we have some time. Okay, now the next section is all about personal growth and personal development. So you can see there's a lot of books and quotes and affirmations. So we have getting things done, essentialism, just like book notes mostly. So, and some quotes and affirmations in there. I think it's fun to collect inspiring quotes to help keep me motivated and just boost my confidence. Okay, now the next section is going to be health and fitness. So in the health and fitness, we just have a workout planner. So this is just a good section to maybe track your wellness goals, your workouts, your meal plans, your sleep patterns, your water intake, exercise routines, everything to stay on top of your health. So we have progress pictures, a year in pixels, so that you can visualize your activities throughout the year or track your emotional health. So everything related to health and fitness can go into this section. And then next I have the food area. So this is all recipe and breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas. For example, I have easy lunch ideas that I can do quickly, especially with the kids. And then we have breakfast ideas. Eating the same breakfast for me has been a game changer. It just really helps me to not think so much about what I'm going to eat. So I like having these ideas in here so that I'm not wasting so much time deciding what to eat. And then we have our favorite recipes, and any new recipes that we want to try out, we can keep it in here. Okay, and now the next section is this purple section here. And that's just all of our travel stuff. I have our travel rewards cards, all of the partners hotels and the partners airlines. So these have all of our, membership numbers and everything. That's what I like to keep in there so that if I ever need it, I can just go click on that and it'll show me all of my preferred hotel partners and favorite airlines and everything, and keep track of all of my reward cards all in one place. Okay, and then this yellow section down here is for medical. I've been just tracking some symptoms, like, for example, my daughter has been getting a lot of nosebleeds lately, so I started tracking it this month to see how often she's getting it, and if it's very often, if I should tell her doctor or not, so I can show her that it's at least 2 to 3 times per week. So it's good to I just use the year in pixels to easily track it. And then I just have appointments, prescriptions, and then ortho and dental work for my son. And then I don't have anything for the blue section, but this is my last section, which is all about like goal setting, productivity tips, and automating life. So I have like my goal, and I just did a mind map. You can break down the goals using this chart here. I have a distraction tracker, some motivational, how to overcome motivational blocks, automating life. Again, all of these are from my course, which I teach all about in the last module of my course. It's just about maintaining that productive lifestyle, and then like a wheel of life. Some other ways that you can use it that I don't use it for. So maybe you are a student and you want to take some class notes. You can have a section for each of your classes. Or maybe you can use it for breaking down projects into tasks, assigning the deadlines, and tracking your progress. So you can use it that way. Or if you have an event that you need to plan, like a birthday party or a wedding, you can organize all your ideas and to-do lists for them and create detailed schedules for the party or gathering or whatever, so that you can host an enjoyable event and have everything all in one place. Another way that you can use it is also as a mood board, so you can collect images, colors, and inspirations for projects and add them to one of these pages. You can create a vision board if you wanted to, that represents your goals, your dreams, and notes, and anything to keep your dreams in focus and to help you stay inspired and motivated. So maybe you are learning a new language and you want to start a language learning journal. You can write down all of your new vocabulary and grammar in here, or daily phrases and practice sentences to enhance your language skills. You can have a finance section. You could track your expenses, set budgets, set financial goals, or create expense trackers just to keep everything in order for you. But yeah, so there you have it. That was probably over 60 practical ways that you can use this free digital notebook. I love using GoodNotes just because it syncs so seamlessly to all of my devices. Unfortunately, GoodNotes is only on the iOS system, but I think there's NoteShelf and Zoto on Samsung that you can use as well, but I'm not sure exactly how it would sync over. If you do know, then let me know in the comments, please, so everyone else can figure it out as well. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, just head over to wonderful.com. If you already know the password, you can just go straight to the free printable library and it'll be in the download section. But if not, you can just go to my posts. So you can go to all posts and it should be the first one up there. And when you click on it, you can just scroll all the way down. And then you'll see this box here where you can just put your name and email, and it'll send you to the download right away so that you can download it and save it to your files. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you can get notified on any new tips and tricks on living your best organized life. I'll see you guys next time.